I'm Logan, reporting for Middle East Bulletin. A major industry gathering took place this June in Dubai. The Middle East Event Show 2025 began on June 17th at Sheikh Maktoum Hall. The event welcomed over 5,000 professionals from across the region's event and exhibition industry. More than 100 exhibitors were present, showcasing the latest in event planning, lighting, sound technology, stage design, and digital tools. Attendees also had access to over 60 free seminars and workshops, with more than 70 expert speakers covering topics like event innovation, sustainability, and future-ready planning. Live demos, interactive displays, and product launches made this a hands-on experience for everyone involved. The event was also a key networking hub, helping suppliers, organizers, and creatives connect for future collaborations. A major highlight will be the Middle East Event Awards happening on June 19th at Madinat Jumeirah, recognizing the best in event production and creativity. This show was not just a display. It was a celebration of ideas, growth, and leadership in the Middle East's booming event industry.